Sky, Sky, where are you?
Oh, I'm here, Everybody, my name is Sky. And do you remember these paper towels that we used for our previous experiment? Well, now we're gonna make them into a flower.
To make your own paper towel rolls, start by cutting the paper towel in half. So you have 2 narrow strips of paper towel. For each strip of paper towel, fold the long edge and glue it in place. Fold the strip and glue it again. Put glue on a stick or a toothpick and start rolling the strip tightly from one end to the other. Put glue again and start rolling the second strip tightly from one end to the other. Finally, glue the end of the strip to the rose to hold it in place. And there you have your own paper towel rose. Now let's do that again. Can I do that with you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll pick this one.
Well, my mom already made one, and I'm showing it to you right now. Isn't it pretty?
First, I'm gonna put this.
Oh my god. It's gonna be hard. No. Like, really, no. No, actually, yes. Okay, easy. I feel like I'm gonna rip this. Am I doing this rightly? Yeah.
Perfect. Now we'll use the glue. I'll put 2 drops only.
But could I make the rest of yours?
Each one will make his own.
But I don't know how to make my own.
Here.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, you should.
1, 2,
That's enough.
3.
Okay. Put on the other side.
Wait, first I'm gonna tie the napkin. This. I tied my napkin.
Okay.
Wait, it's still missing. Mom, could I please have the
Glue?
Yeah. I'm missing some. And some glue for here.
Don't put that much, Kayo. Just a little bit. Okay, that's enough.
So now I should do this.
Yeah, fold it.
And, oh my god.
Ready to make your own flower?
Yeah.
Okay. Toothpick for you. One for me. I'll use the glue.
Glue, please.
Oh my god.
You put a lot?
Yeah.
That's
Here, you can take this one.
here. Then here.
And then, wait.
There's some glue on this. You can use it.
Yeah, they will drop. I drop. Okay. Take the napkin.
Okay, I'll pick this one.
Okay. And start rolling the paper. Yeah. Okay. So what do you want to do with all these flowers?
Give one to my teacher and plant the rest.
How about we make a flower pot? So I found this. This is a soup box.
Soup box?
Yeah.
Where did you find it?
Daddy got it yesterday. And these drops, we can use them to decorate. No, we can put some more.
So now I'm gonna put these flowers inside this. With 4 flowers inside this. I'll draw on our pot and decorate that. Now I'm gonna paint on the vase so it can be nice. Let's push some red there. Now I finished coloring my pot. Now I have a few dots, final touches. The pink. I'm just
Sky, where